Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on that tutorial. This is really easy and fast to make. This back side and front side. Let's get started. For this pattern we are going to use multiple of 6 chain. I add extra 2. Then we are going to start by skip 3 chain. I insert the hook on the first one and I'm going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet in the same chain. Then we are going to skip 3 chain, insert the hook in the first one and then again 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. Keep continue until the end of the row. In the last chain I'm going to make 1 double crochet. The pattern should look like that. Row 2 we are going to start by chain 3 and then now we have a V shape here. We are going to make double crochet in this V shape. We start the first one by insert the hook here, make 1 double crochet. Now between these two we are going to make 6 double crochet by start to make 3, 1 chain between and then another 3 double crochet. Before we finish that one, we are going to make another double crochet in this stitch here. So the first one is created, but I forgot when we make the last one, we should not finish it. We are going to take the next V shape. We have to take that one and then make it after 3 loops, make it 1 together. Let's do it again. We make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, now we are going to join these two together. I'm going to make 1 double crochet, not finished, take the other one, then we make it together. And we repeat the pattern until the end of the row. Again here, take that one, then the other one, and it comes into the loops, make it together. always we have to use one double crochet here, and then we are going to make one double crochet at the top of the chain. This is the pattern should looks like. Now if you want to change the color, we are going to use another color. And then we are going to start by chain 4, 1. I try to cover the yarn between chain 3 and 4. Now we return the work by starting to make V shape again between the chain here and here. So we are going to make one double crochet, 2 chain and one double crochet. We're going to the next one here between these 3 V6, and then again another V shape here. Your pattern should look like that, and we keep continue. At the end of the row, I'm going to make one double crochet at the top of the chain there. Now we are going to chain 3 and return the work like that. It's time to repeat the pattern again by make one double crochet here, 3 double crochet inside, make one chain for separation, make another 3, and then it's time to join the last one and first one. This one we're going to take this one, we are not finished it. Now we have 3 loops and make it together. If we keep continue this pattern until here, when it comes at the end of the row, it's time to chain again the color. This is optional. You decided if you want it in 3 different color or 4 different color, or only if you wanted one color. It's up to you. You can make it like, let me show you, is this pattern I made like that, and then I change the color again and keep continue. This is the way we are going to do that, and I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful flower for decoration. I'll be back. The way I make this beautiful flower, just start by chain 3. I made a loop, chain 3, and then I make 3 double crochet in the loops. 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to make 3 chain and 1 a slip stitch, 3 chain, and we are going to make again 3 more double crochet, 2, 3, make 3 chain, then 1 slip stitch, 3 chain, and repeat again. Three chain, like that, and then I'm going to cut the yarn. Now I have this flower. It's up. Maybe I can use it here. What I did, I just going to like that. I'm going to just make a knot here. And then I cut the yarn. And this is the way I decorate this pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends and have a good day.